Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making teriyaki chicken. For our ingredients, we have low sodium soy sauce. We have light brown sugar, honey, rice vinegar, sesame oil, mint, ginger. We have garlic cloves. We have garlic cloves mince. We have cornstarch and water. Here I'm using a mixture of dark meat and white meat. So we have some chicken thighs and we have some chicken breasts. And we're going to cut those up into bite size. Before we cook our chicken, we are going to mix our sauce together. So here's a little water with just a little bit of chicken bouillon. Now I'm adding in my soy sauce. Here we have brown sugar. We're adding in honey. Here we are adding in sesame oil. We're adding in the rice vinegar. Here's the ginger, minced ginger. Here's the garlic. We're going to add our garlic cloves, which are minced up. We're going to mix that well. We're going to make sure that the sugar is mixed into our sauce really good. Now here we're going to start browning our chicken. And you just want to brown your chicken until it becomes golden brown. So it's going to take a few minutes to get that done. This is a quick and easy 30-minute meal for the weekdays. It's delicious. Now that our chicken is brown, we're going to add that sauce in that we made earlier. And you just want to coat your chicken with it. It's going to thicken a little bit fast. So you want to turn your stove down so that you don't burn your sauce. I added my cornstarch at the end when I mixed all of my ingredients in together. So my cornstarch is already mixed in. You can see that the sauce is starting to thicken up. Here I added just some green peppers. We're just going to mix that around. Our teriyaki chicken is done. Look how beautiful that is. We have made teriyaki chicken. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and
subscribe.